What's your reaction to someone who has committed a crime as serious as this, being able to have their family life mean that they cannot be deported?
Well, Crystal, I have to make the point that with rights also comes responsibility. And we're talking about someone here who is a serious crime boss, dealing in drugs. What about the families which have suffered as a result of his activities? You also mentioned there that this individual reportedly indulged in an extramarital affair. So again, that comes to my point that with these rights also comes responsibility. And I think that what the real problem that we have here is that all too often we have these cases where the individual rights of very serious criminals are prioritised over the protection of law-abiding Britons. And I think that's a serious problem with our human rights framework. But there's also an issue here in terms of our border security system and our deportations regime. I believe that this particular individual, his background, he's an Alevi Kurd, and it's been claimed that if he was to return to Turkey, he may well suffer persecution. But an immigration tribunal heard that he had returned to his homeland at 8 separate occasions without facing any serious form of persecution. So I think what we have here, we have a dysfunctional asylum system, and we also have a human rights framework which doesn't prioritise the safety and security of the law-abiding British public.